All right, guys, so you heard him hit the mic earlier. Reverend Ryan Mark is a gospel artist with Pure in Heart Ministries. He's going to have a chat with us before he takes us to the break with one called Soar. Good morning to you.
Good morning
Thank
to
you
you
for being here this morning.
Yes.
Tell us what's been happening with you. You are Reverend.
Yes, I am.
You lead your own flock, correct?
Yes, I do.
Tell me a little bit about the church that you lead.
Okay, well, it's Pure and Heart Ministries International. We're located at 80 Havertree Road. I've been pastoring now for 3 years. You know what I mean? I'm actually in the 4th year now. Most people know me as a gospel artist, a musician. That's where I started. That's what I've done for most of my life. However, in 2014, you know, I started church. I was ordained in New York. At the time, to be honest with you, at the time I was trying to run from Jamaica. I said, God, I just want something different. And then when I came back to Jamaica, was just to acquire a visa to leave. The Lord said to me, start church. And then, you know, it was kind of a shocker to me. But he was saying, son, if all the people with a positive mindset and a heart for Jamaica leave Jamaica, then what will happen to Jamaica?
Right.
And I'm happy I stayed, happy I was obedient, and I'm seeing the fruits.
How do you kind of balance the two? Because you've said that pastoring is a lot of work. People think you just come, preach a sermon and leave, but it involves you literally getting involved in the lives of your congregants, ministering, counseling, all sorts of other things. So how have you been managing both portfolios?
It's been good because I kind of put music on the back burner because I've had enough time to do music. So when I stepped into the pastoral, it was very important for me to make sure that I'm cemented there, you know, and it's way more meaningful, like it's a counseling, you know, so music is a hit and go. You might bless people, you never heard of it, you don't know anything that happened from there. At least I get the opportunity to walk through with people. I know their ups, their downs, the good, the bad, you know, so it's very filling, you know. I always say music takes you backstage and the pastoral takes you up front with the people, and I'm good with that.
Well, you don't miss it, and I see you still trying to get some time into the studio. I'm looking at Chrissy. Oh gosh, love her
Yes,
so much.
that's my wife.
How is she doing?
She's good enough. She's actually in Bible school.
Okay.
Yeah, in Canada.
Oh,
so
what?
she's in her 2nd year. And
Good
she's
for
doing
you,
very well.
lady. Good for you. So how you get to satisfy that other part of, you know,
Wow.
the musical side? I know you say it's on the back burner, but
Right. So like now, you know, I mean, I'm in a season where I'm doing, you know, a 1 new track, a 2 new track. I'm just taking my time. There's no rush. You know, it's not like one time like, okay, the album has to be out by this time. No, there's no rush. I'm just taking my time, picking it apart. And this album for next year would have been like my 4th studio album, and it will be different. You know what I mean?
what's going to be different about it?
Just the style of music. So most people know me for being up-tempo, hardcore. You know, you get more acoustic, some piano songs, and because I'm in church more now, you know what I mean, I'm kind of hitting some keys and some notes now, you know, so the vocal has developed. So I just want to do something that's different.
Okay. All right, tell me about Soar.
Wow, Soar, we are Soar. This song actually just came out of a church service. We're just worshiping God and prophetically just flow to the atmosphere. And it's a very encouraging song, you know what I mean, because we all do go through trials, temptations, hardship. And the whole concept of the song is that here we're going. We now walk through the brick walls no more. We'll go over it. So we're just going above the problems. We're going above the hardship, the depression, the oppression.
Okay, and the album?
Well, there's no title for it yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're just working one day at a time.
Yeah, and Soar will be undoubtedly one of the tracks?
Yes, Soar definitely will be
right.
one of the tracks.
Okay, folks, well, let's take some time to leave Earth for a little bit and take to the skies. Let's soar with the
All
Rev.
right, soar, we'll
Take
soar.
it away, Rev.
Hallelujah. Glory to God. You know, the other day I'm praying, I'm going to see this brick wall in front of me. I'm going to say, God, how am I going to go through this brick wall? And the Lord said, son, tell the people them say, them not going to go through the brick wall no more. Them are going to go over the wall. Yeah, man, over the wall. Watch me. All right, obstacles in the way. Say it now move, stay, it a stay. But we are real Christians, we not straight. So we take up a Bible for prayer. God says, son, pray some more. Me about to give you an outpour. You see the obstacles them on the floor. Don't worry about them cause I swore you are swore. God, what you say? Me say I swore we are swore. Me say I swore we are swore. We are fly. Swore we are swore for we problems. I swore man I swore we are fly. Swore we are swore. Me say I swore we are swore. We are fly. Swore we are swore for depression. I swore we are swore. Watch me. And your mark gets set. You not hear nothing yet. Me a tell you say no worry no fret. God I got give you more than we expect. So read your Bible connect. Make sure your lifestyle is correct. God precepts don't forget. And a car you a drive nor a bus you a take. What me say? Me say I swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear but with problems. I swear man I swear we are fly. Swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear by the pressure. I swear man I swear. God said we swear like a moonwalker. Chop the script just like a smooth talker. Be the light when the world darker. Expose the devil that evil stalkers. To them a fire, fire, we are real water. Come for baptize with sons and daughter. Say a prayer and fasting will bring brata. Nothing can come corrupt the heart. You know why? Me say I swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear but with problems. I swear man I swear we are fly. Swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear by the pressure. I swear man I swear we are fly. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Fly. So obstacles in the way. Say it now move, stay, it a stay. But we are real Christian when I stray. So we take up our Bible for pray. God says son, pray some more. Me about to give you a outpour. You see the obstacles them on the floor. Don't worry about them cause I swear man I swear. God what you say? Me say I swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear but with problems. I swear man I swear we are fly. Swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear by the pressure. I swear man I swear we are fly. Swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear but with problems. I swear man I swear we are fly. Swear we are swear. Me say I swear we are swear we are fly. Swear we are swear by the pressure. I swear we are swear we are fly. Fly.